Good, thank you. Hi, hi. Is it raining over there? No, no, Shruti. Why? Why did you think so? Is it raining at your place? Oh, some noise? Your ears are as sharp as your brains, huh, all of you. Oh, I thought so. Some background noise. Okay, great. See, I am asked to take functions today. Okay, I think somebody wants functions. So we had done ordered pairs, you remember? I will just I will touch ordered pair relation and I'll go to functions. Oh, exam झाली. Okay, I don't know. I got the message that today I should do functions, so I'm doing functions. See, suppose if I take a set A, 1, 2, 3, and a set B, if I have A and B. Now, if I draw A, 1, 2, 3, A and B, that is B. Now, if I want the ordered pair, if I want the cross product or Cartesian product of A and B, I told you have to take elements of A and pair them with B. Correct? So is it not 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, 3 comma B? This is the Cartesian product of A and B. Right? Do you all remember this? Yes. Okay. Now, if how many elements will it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements. 6 elements in the form of ordered pairs. So obviously, I will have 2 raised to 6 subsets of A cross B. So each subset is called the relation from A to B. Do you all remember this? It is a relation from A to B. Yes, sir. Thank you. Now, out of these, out of so many relations, some relations are functions, some relations are not function. Mind it, every function is a relation. But every relation is not a function. मैंने ये explain किया था. I'm just touching this part because it was nearly 15 days, I think. So, suppose if I take this relation 1 comma A, 1 comma B, and 2 comma A. Now, it is a subset of this Cartesian product. So, it is a relation between A and B. But is it a function? Is it a function? That is my question. I will draw it with the arrow diagram. मैंने क्या क्या लिखा है? 1A, 1B and 2A. देखो. No, it is not a function. Very good answer. 1A, 1B and 2A. ये है relation between A and B. ये मैंने दिखा. It is not a function. Why? Reasons. No, it is not a function. Reason is every element of the first set, every element of set A. Jo, yeah, yes, you are absolutely right, yes. 3 is not related. should be related to second only one element of set B. You remember? Yes, one has got two images. Absolutely right. One is going to A also, one is going to B also. ये postmangiri नहीं चलेगा. Many can go to A. Suppose if I take 1 comma A, 2 comma A. This is example 2. Huh? And 3 comma A. So if you draw this with the arrow diagram 1, 2, 3, here you have A and B. All are going to A, but all are going from set A to any one. Maybe same one, maybe different one, but all are going to A. So one is going to only A. One is not going to anybody else. It is not related to more than one. It has only one image. Correct? So this is a function. It is 1 is going to A, 2 is also going to A, 3 is also going to A, more than one going to the same one. So it is many to one. And मैंने बोला था first set is called the domain of the function. Second set, which has A, B, C, I guess. देखो A and B है क्या? हाँ ठीक है, A and B है. A and B, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? It is a codomain. But what is the range बोलो? In this what I have drawn, what is the range? All are going to A. So what to say? Range is a proper subset of codomain. Therefore, it is an into function. अगर ऐसा होता कि 1 is going to A, 2 is going to A, या 2 is going to B and 3 is also going to B, ऐसा होता तो this would be, see, more than one are going to be. So ये होता many to one. But yeah, codomain and range would have been equal. So this would have been an onto function. Correct? 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma B. ये होता मेरा many to one and onto function. Because यहाँ codomain पूछो A comma B, range पूछो A comma B. So it's an improper subset of codomain. Are you getting it? So this is what we saw. Then I just touched inverse function. You take A as 1, 2, 3. Set B has A, B, C. Now, if 1 is going to A, 2 is going to C, and 3 is going to B. ये कौन से टाइप का फंक्शन है बोलो? फंक्शन कौन सा है ये? ये एग्जाम्पल 3 है. There are अलग अलग examples. Tell me. Bijective, absolutely right answer, because ये 1 to 1 भी है and onto भी है. So 1 to 1 and onto function मैंने तुम्हें सब लिख के दिया है, if you all remember. It's a bijective function, and only so it is called bijective. Only bijective functions have inverse. सारे functions को inverse नहीं होता. Reason? अगर कोई function है many to 1, so उसका inverse में आएगा 1 to many, which will not be a function only. कोई फंक्शन अगर इनटू होगा तो when you reverse it, element of first set will not have any image. Correct? So that is the reason only one-to-one and one-to-one and onto functions will have inverse. How do you write inverse, Bolo? If f is a function from A to B, and if f is bijective, if this, it implies f inverse is a function from B to A. Oh, my screen is lagging a bit. I will show you from the beginning. Are you able to hear me? Screen is lagging. अभी आज ना मेरे घर में इंटरनेट का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. I'm on hotspot, really speaking. It's proper? Good. See, I started functions from here. I showed you cross this Cartesian product relation function onto into bijective inverse. I want to give you an example. If I say f of x is a function of x, f is name of the function and it's a function of x. If I write f of x is x squared. Now what will be f of 2? 4. And what will be f of minus 2? Bolo? Minus 2 ka square be 4. So 2 will go to 4, minus 2 will also go to 4. So it will be many to 1. So its inverse will not exist. Is that clear? And that will happen for every even power of x. Because this is a very common question which is asked very often. F of x is x squared. Explain. Is it a bijective function and does its inverse exist? All right. Now we actually start with the value of the function. Now, if I give you f of m is m square minus 3m plus 1, find f of 0. आप लोगों ने ग्राफ्स किए, ग्राफ्स फंक्शंस के? No? चीजें अपने को निकालनी. This is my sum number 1. Now how do I find f of 0? See, f is a name of the function and it is a function of m. So if you give me f of m, how do I find f of 0? M ke jagah 0. See, we write like this and we put m ke jagah 0. So what is the value of f of 0? 1. If they ask you f of minus x, adat karo. कि you will write like this, and if you want f of a minus x, you substitute m के जगह minus x. So this is going to be f minus minus plus 3x plus 1. So this is your value of f of a minus x. Now, this is actually the first principal derivatives. उसके लिए ये तैयार रख रहे हैं f of a 2 plus h minus f of a 2 upon h, where h is not 0. You have to find this. Now let us find one by one. What is f of a m? M square minus 3m plus 1. H plus 1, absolutely correct. So f of a whatever will be whatever square minus 3 into whatever plus 1. तो अभी मुझे m के जगह चाहिए 2 plus h. तो ये आएगा 4 plus 4h plus h square minus 6 minus 3h and plus 1. So ये आएगा f of a 2 plus h, ये आएगा h square plus h and minus 1. And f of a 2 मतलब m के जगह 2. So 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. तो ये आ गया minus 1. So ये जो required value है, I'm not going to write again because I can do one more sum better. H square plus h minus 1 minus f of a 2 is minus 1 upon h. So ये आएगा h square plus h minus 1 plus 1 cancel होगा upon h. तो ऊपर आएगा h common, h plus 1 upon h. So your value is h plus 1. All right. This is called the value of the function. Everybody completed this sum number 1. Find x. If g of x is 0, where in the first case you are given g of x is 5x minus 6 upon 7. Since g of x is 0, the 5x minus 6 is 0. Perfect. So you get your value of x as 6 by pi. Means at what value of x, the value of the function is 0. तुम लोगों को लगेगा ये सम हम लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because that makes your concept of x and value of the function clear. जो x है ना x, उसको हम लोग डोमेन बोलेंगे, and the value of the function रहेगा range. Okay. अभी second case में you are given g of x is 6x square plus x minus 2. So दिया क्या है अपने को? g of x is 0. So 6x square plus x minus 2 is 0. तो factors करो. Plus 4 ना minus 3. Everybody is getting it? So I can do orally also. So you get your two values. One is 2 by 3 or half. Perfect. और एक दे दो g of x. Will you try? You know how to factorize this, no? All of you know? Or I can explain. Please let me know. You know, when I say quadratic, तो everybody knows. यहाँ coefficient बाजू में रखो. 1, -2, -5 and 6. Oh, you can do ना. Okay, solve करो. Yes, yes, 3. Everybody got, na? Perfect. Yes. Synthetic division I used. Should I do the next? F of x is equal to g of x is given. So f of x is this and g of x is this. So you will have x fourth minus 9x square is 0. Now यहाँ बहुत लोग गलती करते हैं, they divide by x square. You should not be. You should be taking x square common. Yes. X square is 9, then x is plus or minus 3. So you will have 3 values, 0, 3 and minus 3. Correct? Is the speed okay? Everybody finds it okay or slow or fast? You tell me, huh? Because this is school level ka, so I'm going a little fast. Okay, speed. Yeah, good. So f of x is equal to g of x. So you root वाले side में रखो. So squaring both sides. अभी ये फैक्टराइजेबल तो नहीं लग रहा है, करेक्ट? तो फॉर्मूला से करो, a is 1, b is -17, c is 6 minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. $289 minus 256, 33 आएगा. Yeah. Okay. See here now. F of x is given to you. Since f of 2 is not defined, implies that denominator should be 0. So पहले लिखते हैं हम लोग f of 2. a minus 2 upon b minus 2. x के जगह 2. a and b को हाथ नहीं लगाना है. So उसका denominator है b minus 2. So b minus 2, it's 0. So you get the value of b. All of you clear? So after I get b, I am going to write the value of b. b is 2. And f of 3 बोला ना, f of 3 is 5. अभी f of 3 मुझे कोई देता है तो x के जगह 3. तो f of 3 दिया हुआ है 5. a is -2. So the answer is a is -2 and b is +2. Correct? Denominator is 0. Somewhere you are asking me why is denominator 0 when the function is not defined. Denominator is 0 अगर वो चीज है या अगर कोई स्क्वायर रूट है, फोर्थ रूट है, तो उसके अंदर वाला number is a negative number. See, because these functions and all, we are playing with all real values. We are dealing with only real values. So when will the, यहाँ तो root है नहीं, तो कौन सा, what will be the other reason for the function not to get defined? Because at x is equal to 2, the denominator will turn 0. So पहले मैंने f of 2 निकाला, जो मेरा ये आया. f of x not defined नहीं दिया है, f of 2 is not defined. तो मैंने पहले f of 2 निकाला, जिसको denominator अगर 0 रहेगा तो it will not be defined. Okay, good, thank you. चलो, this is for you only. करो. You can check your answers. F of x दिया हुआ है, so f of 1 के लिए x की जगह 1. So I have मेरा a plus 3. The value is given to you as 7. So a सबको 4 आया होगा. So I resubstituted that value of a as 4 here, and I wrote the function here. 3x plus 4. तो f of 4 पूछा है. So f of 4 मतलब x की जगह 4. Just tell me one thing. Have you done logarithmic functions in detail? Can anyone tell me, please? Have you done, or should I take in detail? Because it's quite important. Logarithmic functions. Can someone please reply? Logarithmic functions, log tables. Log tables you might have done, but rules of logarithms, laws, or should I take in detail because it is very important? ले लो, okay. ठीक है. Okay, I will. I will take, definitely I will take. Thank you. चलो अभी ये करो. F of 1 is 3 and f of 4 is 42. कोई बात नहीं, we will do it. I just asked because क्या होता है कभी एग्जाम का प्रेशर आता है ना, देन ये चैप्टर वो चैप्टर, इसमें कोई इम्पोर्टेंट चीज निकल ना जाए बस. दैट इज व्हाई, बिकॉज इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. I will take, don't worry. I was asking about logarithmic functions, laws. Have you solved enough number of sums on logarithm? Yeah. So अभी एक x की जगह 1 डालो. तो f of 1 का वैल्यू तो दिया है 3. a plus b is 1. ये इक्वेशन आया, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. एंड f of 4 निकालते हैं अभी. a into 4 square plus b into 4 plus 2. So f of 4 is given as 42. 16a plus 4b is. तो ये आ गया मेरा 16a plus 4b is 40. So dividing by 4, you will have 4a plus b as 10. उसके नीचे ये लिखो, a plus b is 1. Subtract. So you will have 3a is 9. A you get it as 3. Exam. So 3 plus b is 1 gives you b as -2. These are all, you're just playing with the values of the function. I will take you to composite function. You understood this kind of sums? I just wanted to take one more. I think I've covered everything regarding this. You know what is a composite function? ये अगर समझ जाओ तो डेरिवेटिव्स में बहुत अच्छा पड़ेगा. Composite function. I'll give you an example. Sorry, excuse my. ये है सेट ए, ये है सेट बी, ये है सेट सी. एक बार समझ लो तुम्हारा काम बन गया बस. F is a function from A to B. G is a function from B to C. A to B है function F and B to C है function G. कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि I am related to B, who's related to C. Actually ऐसे होता है. हाँ. So the relation from A to C via B, मतलब A is not directly related to C. But A का C से relation है because A is related to B, which is related to C. So that is a composite function. मैं एक बार तुम्हें लिख के दिखाती हूँ क्या होता है, समझ लो. You have to answer me this. What is f of A? F of A is P. समझ रहे हैं? What is f of B? Q. And what is f of C? R. ये बात सबको समझे? Anybody who has a doubt here? F is a function from A to B. ABC है, ABC है ये domain of F and ये है range of F. Now G is a function from B to C. So now I will be using G of P. मतलब P है related to 2. G of Q is 1 and G of R is 3. ये सबको समझा? So for the function G, PQR is the domain and 1, 2, 3 is the range. अभी मैं जस्ट हटाने वाली हूं इसी को. अभी देखो, अभी H, suppose if I write a function from A to C, अलग नाम देती हूँ इसको H. So tell me what is H of A, H of B and H of C. Sorry. H of C. कोई मुझे बोलेगा what will be H of A? Perfect. H of A मुझे देखना है, मतलब मुझे A के लिए ढूंढना है A का साथी C में, तो मुझे चेन ही पकड़नी है. देखो A कहाँ गया है? P के पास गया है, लेकिन P गया है 2 के पास. मतलब A has via P has reached 2. B has via reached Q to 1. एकदम तुम लोग मस्त है. And C has reached 3. Now just answer me this. What is 2? What is 2? H of A, is it not G of P? So is it not H of A is G of what is P? g of f of a, है कि नहीं? h of a composite है, दोनों involved है, g of f of a, वो ऐसे भी लिखते हैं. So h of a will be g of f of a, ऐसे भी लिखते हैं. So h of x is general, it is g of f of x. मतलब h का रिलेशन है फर्स्ट से लेके n तक वाया सेकेंड. सो वाया g, मतलब वाया बीच का g से हम लोग पहुंच गए फर्स्ट से लेके n तक. दिस इज अ कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन. तो g ऑफ f, गॉफ एंड फॉग मत बोलो, it is g of f of x. It is g of f of x. Are you clear about this composite function? देख लो पूरा. h of a है g of b. h of b क्या है? g of q. q की जगह आप लोग f of b डाल सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ. Crystal clear? Okay, great. So I don't have to write h of b is g of f of b and so on. And h of c, you understood? No, I don't want to create any confusion. So ये याद रखना, h of x is a composite function. मतलब the relation from first to third via second. Correct? So this is composite function. Now I am teaching you, you will not, this is so useful even in derivatives and integration. Just remember this, what I'm telling you now, the next 5 minutes, how to get this. Huh? Now, if I give you example number 1, I forgot what was the serial number. I think it was 5, yeah. So number 6. Find fog and goff. ऐसे मत बोलो, f of g and g of f. In the first case, you are given f of x is x square plus 5 and g of x is x minus 8. एक sum समझ लो, please. Don't write, huh? Just 8 seconds समझ लो. If I want f of g, ये बाहर में ये क्या है? f है. So what you do ना, पहले तुम लोग कॉपी करो, f of x is x square plus 5, ऐसे लिखना है. मैं खाली डब्बा लिखा है, बाहर का लिखना है. g of f के लिए मुझे g कॉपी करना पड़ेगा, f of g के लिए मुझे f कॉपी करना पड़ेगा, जो मैंने किया है. So f of something is something square plus 5. So f of मतलब bracket, this o is bracket के लिए, is bracket square plus 5. समझा आपने को क्या रिप्लेस करना है? So if f of x is x square plus 5, so f of o means bracket, f of g तो नहीं लिखते हम लोग, gx, g of x because g is a function of x, f of g of x is g of x the whole square plus 5. Okay, पहले खाली डब्बे लिखो, बाद में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. But g of x minus 8 the whole square plus 5. So ये आएगा x square minus 16x plus 64 plus 5. So I can directly write 69. So ये है मेरा f of g of x. Are you clear about this? Everybody followed? Now I am going to find g of f. So अगर मुझे g of something, मैं ये कॉपी करूंगी x के लिए खाली डब्बा रख के. So I'll write g, o means bracket, g of something is खाली डब्बा minus 8. So if g of x is x minus 8, g of f of x is f of x minus 8 खाली डब्बा लिखोगे बहुत इजी पड़ेगा बाद में you copy what is f of x which is x square plus 5 minus 8 तो तुम्हारा आंसर आया g of f of x का x square minus 3 is that clear all of you followed okay you want to try one ले लो करो you have to find both huh f of x is to 56x raised to 4 and g of x is root of x करो दोनों करो f of g and g of x if you understand this technique of writing दुनिया में को कुछ भी समाने दो you have to get f of whatever square plus 5 whatever means you have to just replace x by that whatever f of this I'm not saying only anything. Om, beta, could you understand the previous sum? There's such a lot of internet problem today, I can't tell you. Only it's on only hotspots, at least lecture is going on. Root x is x raised to half. Everybody knows it, na? I answer. Meet your answer is right. G of fx. So पहले आप कॉपी करोगे g of x is root of x. G of something is root of something. यहाँ x है तो यहाँ x है. यहाँ अगर fx है तो यहाँ भी fx है. G of f of x is 16x square. दोनों आंसर्स करेक्ट है क्या सबके? सुपर. कोई डाउट नहीं? Thank you so much. अभी ये क्यों दिया होगा? Who will tell me why this is not? Why is this given? Why is this given? बोलो. Yes, absolutely correct. Because इसका मतलब है at x is equal to 2 by 5, my denominator would take the value as 0 and my function will not exist. It will not be defined. So मेरे function का domain है all real values of x except 2 by 5. Okay? That is why it is given. क्योंकि बहुत बच्चों को पता ही नहीं, they because we are not using it. अपने को पता तो होना चाहिए क्यों दिया है. अभी देखो कैसे लिखना है, मेरे स्टाइल में लिखिए. f of x is 2x minus 1 अपॉन 5x minus 2. इसको हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, हम लोगों ने फ्रेमवर्क बनाया. तो एफ ओ मतलब ब्रैकेट इज, देखो कैसे लिखेगा. Correct? So can I explain now? F of x, यहाँ जहाँ जहाँ f x है, ये f of x. So f o stands for bracket, यहाँ आएगा f of x. खाली डब्बे लिखेंगे तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बहुत इजी है. करेक्ट? अभी थर्ड स्टेप में सब्स्टिट्यूट f of x. Right? Okay. तो अभी एलसीएम निकालो इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो न्यूमरेटर में एलसीएम आ गया 5x minus 2. सो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो तो आ गया मेरा 4x, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 4x minus 2 minus 5x minus minus plus 2. डिनोमिनेटर में भी 5x minus 2 एलसीएम आया. यस, इट इज 10x minus 5 minus 10x minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. तो मेरा 10x वाला भी गया एंड ये ब्रैकेट भी गया. सो ऊपर आया 4x minus 5x, नीचे आ गया minus 5 and plus 4 is minus 1. So it is x, hence proof. बेटा x by 3 कहाँ से आया? Please check me. Okay, fine. By mistake it on happened. Would you like to try? See if you want to try. F of something चाहिए. Yes, 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 Om. Absolutely correct. You want me to explain or you're trying? Anybody wants my help, please? Hello? F of something चाहिए तो पहले ऐसे लिखा, तो f of g of x चाहिए तो पहले ऐसे लिखा, बाद में g of x सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, yes, absolutely correct, super. Four x minus 1 आया, so it is 3 plus 5x plus 12x minus 3. 12 plus 20x minus 20x plus 5. और ये भी गया. Hence proof. Got the hang of it, how to do it, composite function. Always remember, f of f inverse of xo, yeah, f inverse of f of xo, दोनों का आंसर is on always x. Important, याद रखो. क्यों बोला मैंने एमसीक्यू के लिए? सपोज f of g of x is x between f and g. So what will you say? They are inverse functions of each other. Got it? Yes. All right. Now, anybody wants to see this? Please याद रखना है. So, you know, because MCQ में they will ask a conceptual question, so you have to understand. ये है f of x is x square plus 3 for x less than or equal to 2. एक कंटिन्यूटी का नाम का चैप्टर है फॉर द 12th स्टैंडर्ड. अगर ये समझा था तो यू विल हैव सॉर्टेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. Oh, you have to take a screenshot? Yes, Rishikesh, sure. Composite function का चाहिए. That FGH what I do. ये वाला. You want the next part? Okay, done. Thank you. इसमें क्या है ना? See, I will tell you it is exactly like, suppose if this number line is my India. अगर यहाँ zones है, suppose ये है zone, suppose if I call this as 2, and if 2 is included, ये जो zone है, that is x less than 2. ये zone है, this is x greater than 2. And ये जो point है, which is x is equal to 2. So, अभी if I ask you f of 3, आपको पहले सोचना है 3 कौन से जोन में आएगा. See, I want to find f of 3. And 3 किस में आता है? 3 is greater than 2, मतलब it will come in this zone. तो ये जोन में, हर जोन में फंक्शन अलग से डिफाइन किया है, करेक्ट? तो वी हैव टू चूज दैट, मन में आया वो नहीं लेने का. इफ यू आस्क मी, ग्रेटर देन 2 के लिए फंक्शन इज दिस एंड नॉट ऊपर वाला. सो अगर मुझे f of 3 निकालना है, ऐसा नहीं कि कभी ये कभी वो, यू हैव टू चेक कि आपको ये आंसर है. Now if they, secondly they have asked you f of 2. अभी 2 कहाँ है? यहाँ है. इसका मतलब है लेस देन और इक्वल टू. तो इक्वल टू 2 भी है. तो इक्वल टू 2 के लिए मुझे f of x, सिलेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, x square plus 3. So your f of 2 will be 2 square plus 3. So your answer will be 7. Are you getting it? Abhi, how do you find f of 0? Zero is less than 2. तो आप लोगे लेस देन 2 का फंक्शन. लेस देन 2 का फंक्शन कहाँ पे है? ये देखो, ये है. लेस देन 2 हो, ग्रेटर देन 2, इक्वल टू 2 हो, यही है. f of x is x square plus 3. Therefore, f of 0 is 0 square plus 3. So your answer is 3. Correct? Now I will give you. Everybody follow this term properly. So you have to see the zone. Now if I give you the function, एक काम करते हो, इसमें अलग अलग हम लोग वैल्यूज निकालते हैं. फाइंड पहले f of -1, f of 2, f of 5, f of 7, ऐसे 3-4 वैल्यूज निकालते हैं. सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका डोमेन लिखेंगे. डोमेन ऑफ द, एक मेरा पूरा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जाएगा डोमेन रेंज में, वो हार्ट ऑफ फंक्शंस है. तो डोमेन मतलब वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स. सो तुम्हारा फंक्शन कहाँ से कहाँ पानी में तैर रहा है? देखो, -3 इज इंक्लूडेड, 2 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. इसके लिए ये बिहेव कर रहा है x स्क्वायर जैसा, एंड 2 से लेके 5 तक, 5 इज इंक्लूडेड बिकॉज इक्वल टू साइन है, ये बिहेव कर रहा है 2x जैसा. मतलब तुम्हारा फंक्शन यहाँ से यहाँ ही काम कर रहा है. सो तुम्हारा डोमेन है -3 से लेके 5 तक. बिकॉज यहाँ इक्वल टू साइंस है, आई एम गिविंग यू इक्वल टू साइंस, और आई कैन राइट दिस एज -3 to 5 क्लोज्ड इंटरवल. This is my domain, and domain always considers only real values. Are you very clear? See, this is a conceptual chapter. You have to understand solving sums is very easy. When will you be able to apply? Only if you know it from the core. Okay? अभी अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे, now it is very easy. So for f of -1, कौन सा आप फंक्शन यूज करोगे? ये, करेक्ट? -3 से लेके 2 तक, बिकॉज इसमें -1 है. सो f of -1, your answer is 1. ये हो गया. ये कंटिन्यूटी में यू विल रिमेम्बर कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ये में f of 2 के लिए मैं ये ना लूं, बिकॉज यहाँ इक्वल टू साइन नहीं है. 2 के लिए मुझे यही लेना पड़ेगा. So my f of x is 2x. So my f of 2 would be 2 into 2. So my answer is 4. 5 पूछा है. अभी कभी कभी कैसे घुमाते हैं मालूम है. अभी 5 के लिए तो 2x ही है. So f of 5 would be 2 into 5, that is 10. And f of 7, it doesn't exist only. Because 7 is not the part of the domain. तुम लोगों को बाहर का फंक्शन का डेफिनेशन दिया किधर है? Are you getting what I'm saying? तो f of 7 ढूंढने की कोशिश ही नहीं करो, दिया ही नहीं है. तुम्हारा फंक्शन सिर्फ they have put the limits from -3 to 5. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो 7 तो इसके बाहर गया. बाउंड्री के बाहर का कभी कभी कैसे देते हैं वो लोग. आई विल टेल यू. कभी कभी हाउ दे मेक ट्रिकी. दे वुड गिव डोमेन -3 से लेके 5 तक. मतलब -3 क्लोज्ड है बट 5 सर्कुलर है. एंड देन दे आस्क यू f of 5. अरे बाबा 5 कहाँ इंक्लूडेड है? तुम्हारा -3 से लेके a number which is just before pi, only God knows what that number is. ये तुम्हारा डोमेन है. तो x is equal to 5 does not belong to -3 to 5. So f of 5 does not exist. Are you getting me? ये मेरे सम में अभी नहीं था, but they can ask you this. Okay. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Stay blessed. I hope you understood, all of you. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you.